Hello and welcome to our UMAX Golf channel. Today we will be unboxing the brand new Tour V5 Shift. So in the box you will find the Bushnell Tour V5 Shift, leaflets and instructions, and the brand new case inside as well. When you take out the V5 from the box, please unscrew the lid. Remove the red plastic from inside and place the cap back on. The Bushnell Tour V5 has now made it easier to switch in between meters and yards. If you wish to change, simply press the button on the side. If you want to turn the slope option on, simply push the B logo forward. Please make sure to take full advantage of the magnetic bite on the side of the unit. The new V5 case is now stronger and also weatherproof.